How to make her release very fast. We mean very, very fast. You want your woman to release very fast, watch this video till the end. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. My name is Jen Modo, your number one host, the one and only. Guys, before we dive in, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. How to make a woman release very, very fast. What are you supposed to do? Point number one, prepare your woman. Number one, prepare your woman. How do you prepare your woman? Make sure she showers, she's very clean, everything is okay, she has eaten food, she is satisfied. We are going now for the actual work. Make sure everything is clean, you have brushed your teeth, everything. Number one, our point number one, the very first point, spend more time on the foreplay. What are we supposed to do? You see, there are so many ways of doing the foreplay. Don't forget the breast. While you're doing the foreplay, make sure you suck the breast. That's exactly the foreplay we are talking about. The more you suck the breast of the woman and you are concentrating on the nipple, making that nipple in a tickling manner, I am telling you, you're already waking up the testosterone hormones and the oxygen hormones in the woman's body. You know, women also have the testosterone hormones, but it's really very, very small. It's much in men's side. So take more time on the foreplay. Foreplay is a general perspective. Do what you know your woman loves best. You see, I told you people, there are men, they just want to get their penis inside the woman's V. They don't know anything to do with the foreplay. So if you're watching this video, please take time doing the foreplay. Foreplay, it means kissing, deep kissing. You know this kissing whereby even you want your tongue to be inside the woman's mouth. That is deep kissing, beautiful kissing. Then foreplay categorize or it comprise of very many things. Dirty talk about dirty talk that dirty talk into her ears. She has to hear it very well. Are you people seeing the point? Make sure you're doing this foreplay. You cuddle very well with her. Do a lot of foreplay. Spend a lot of. There are women even they feel more satisfied during the foreplay. So by the time you're going to put the machine gun, she will be already pouring everywhere. The sperm will be already releasing. She will be already releasing because you have spent enough quality time on the foreplay. You guys get the point. So if you want the woman to release so fast, do exactly what I'm telling you. Then you have to know your woman's sweetest point or sweetest G point. This is exactly what you are talking about. In most cases, it is always the glitters and also those 3 points I tell you people. In most cases, so concentrate on that so concentrate on that point so much. The glitters. You can just decide to trash it. You can then the other 3 points you can just try put your longest finger and you just make sure you bend it a little bit so that it touches, it grabs all those 3 points very, very beautifully so that she can really release very, very fast. Then our next point, by female friendly sexual position or sex position. What are we really talking about here? Try those female friendly position which really favors the woman in this case. We talk about the woman on top, or what we call the cowgirl. In this case, she controls, she knows what she wants to take in, and she knows what she doesn't want. So this is really very, very friendly with women. I am telling you people the truth here. Try those female friendly sexual position like the woman on top, the spooning position. It really gives a, I don't know, that good friendly sex which can really stimulate everything and she comes. Try missionary. You see, missionary, even when you're doing that missionary, sometimes the woman can keep on talking. Yes, baby, there. Yes, do me slowly, do me faster. She can communicate. You guys can communicate. You can kiss the woman. You can see your woman. Then the woman on top, you can admire. You can touch the breast. You can put your mouth there, and you can do everything. You see, these are a female friendly position that we are talking about. Try spooning position, missionary position, those friendly one which doesn't hurt the woman. This is exactly what we are talking about. And when you're trying this missionary position, make sure the pillow is like under her knee or around her buttocks. Make sure that's where she's a little bit raised up. It is really beautiful and sweet. Then try the sitting. You can sitting a position, you can decide to sit on the chair. Like what you can try to make her sit like this. She puts you put the stool here and you put the stool here, let her buttocks sit on another stool and you come, whereby you can see everything, the boobs, everything. You can, all of you can see when it is in and out, in and out. I am telling you, she will release so fast. You see, what makes us not sometimes release? You are doing it in darkness, you're not able to view these features like the boobs. You're not able to view the penis of the man when he's going in and out. Those are the things. Just tell me in the comment section you're doing it in darkness. She's making even that beautiful noise. It will still delay. But when she's able to view all these features, she's able to view your penis, she's able to view like how you're also making this noise. She's able to view you. I'm telling you, she will release very, very fast. Thank you guys so much for watching. May God bless you guys so much. This is exactly if you want the woman to release very, very fast. Like to release very fast, do exactly this thing that I'm telling you. People, you will come back and reply in the comment section. You know, guys, I love you guys so much. And guys, before we end this video, please join my membership. And another thing, guys, share this video to your friend, to your neighbor, anyone you know like this type of content. Another thing you should do for me is share my video to your friend, to your neighbors, to anyone whom you know love this type of content. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. That's what I have for you guys today. And support me in any way or the other. The membership, the membership is really affordable. Choose the one you can afford, then join the membership. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I remain as Jane Model. Nice day and nice weekend. Bye bye.